Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
If you'd like to discover your very own superpowers, then why not book a call, a 30-minute call at ldlcall.com, or send me a text message on 07801 543 515. Let's see what you're trying to do in life and how we can get you on the road to success. This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation, and here is your quote for today. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. So why did you start all this then? Why did you start to chase this dream of yours? Why did you start the adventure or part of your journey? Look, it will be difficult at times. It will be hard. You'll want to give up. But in the end, that end result, when you achieve it, when all of it, you'll see it will be so worth it. Believe in yourself and the results will begin to show. Keep moving yourself forward.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.